over the years, you've been there for us with our business and what we needed from that. But with this, I didn't even think that it would be something that, you guys would even get into helping us. But I was totally wrong. We couldn't have been more blessed to know that you were behind us and you were fighting for us when we couldn't fight anymore. You can't get the cheapest quote. This is your biggest purchase. And you need to have an agent that's going to stand behind you like Lee in his office did for us. You need to know it's not about the cheapest bid. It's about making sure that the right stuff is in your policy to handle it if something does happen.